Have you ever posted anything on social media against the United States or supporting violence? Did that question surprise you? Many immigrant applicants do not expect this kind of question in a U.S. citizenship interview. It's not on the N-400 form. It's not part of the civics test, but officers may ask it because they want to understand your background and your intentions. Today, we are going to explain why this question comes up, what it really means, and how you can answer it with honesty and confidence. So don't worry, you are not alone in this. We are here to guide you step by step. Now, here's the problem. Social media is a big part of our lives. Maybe you wrote something when you were upset. Maybe you shared a post without thinking. Or maybe you just liked or commented on something. Some applicants get nervous because they think, what if USCIS finds something I posted years ago? Will this stop me from becoming a U.S. citizen? That fear is real, and we want to talk about it.
Hey, quick pause. Are you finding this helpful so far? If yes, give this video a like so that more immigrant applicants who are preparing for citizenship can learn with us. And if you want more simple tips about the interview, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next lesson.
Here's the good news. USCIS is not looking for small mistakes or opinions about everyday issues. They are mainly checking if someone supports violence, terrorism, or groups that want to harm the United States. So when an officer asks, have you ever posted anything on social media against the United States or supporting violence? They want to hear your clear answer, no. If you never posted anything like that, then you can relax. Simply say no with confidence.
But what if, maybe in the past, you did post something that could look bad? The best thing is honesty. You can explain, yes, I shared that years ago, but I do not believe in that today. I respect the United States, and I want to be a good citizen. USCIS wants to see that you are truthful and that you support peace and the values of the United States. That honesty will always help you than trying to hide something. Quick question for you. If a USCIS officer asked you this in the interview, how would you answer? Write your practice answer in the comments below. We will be reading them and cheering you on. Remember, practice makes you more confident. So if this question comes up in your interview, don't panic. Take a deep breath. Remember, this government agency just wants to make sure you support the United States and do not support violence. Answer honestly, answer clearly, and keep your focus on your goal of becoming a proud American citizen. Here are some sample answers. If an applicant is asked about a past social media post that looks bad, sample answer 1. Mistake in the past. Yes, I posted that many years ago. It was a mistake. I regret it. I respect the United States, and I do not support violence. Sample answer 2. Learned and changed. Yes, I shared something before, but I learned it was wrong. Today, I support peace, freedom, and the United States. Sample answer 3. Out of anger. Yes, I wrote that. When I was upset, I should not have said it. I do not feel that way anymore. I respect this country and its people. Sample answer 4. Shared without thinking. Yes, I clicked share on a post, but I did not really mean it. I do not support violence. I believe in peace and respect for the United States. Sample answer 5. Strong, clear values today. I made a mistake in the past, but today I am clear. I do not support violence. I want to be a good citizen of the United States. Each answer shows honesty, regret, current respect for America.
So, remember, if you ever posted something on social media that looks bad, it does not mean your dream is over. What matters most is honesty, respect, and showing that today you support the United States. If this video gave you more confidence, give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And don't forget to subscribe so you can keep learning simple tips for your American citizenship interview. Stay positive, keep practicing, and believe in yourself. You've come this far, and you can do this. We will see you in the next video.